Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and in today's video, I will be sharing with you another outing with mom. Now, I had to do a little running around today for some business, and I decided to have her ride along with me. We decided to stop on our way back at Dwayne's in Smithfield, North Carolina. Now guys, if you've never been to Dwayne's, it is a beautiful place to stop. They have some amazing flowers, home decor accessories, they have boutiques, they have jewelry, they just have all sorts of goodies. And I love to stop here around the Christmas holidays because they have some amazing Christmas trees, Christmas decor. This is the place that that's one of those places you walk in and you just be in awe. This is my place. I could hang out here for hours. So not only did I meet two purposes today: one, mom wanted to look for some more flowers, and two, this is my favorite place to hang out. So guys, I hope you'll like this video, and this is mom here. I'm gonna get caught with the camera, but that's okay. So let me know what you think by leaving me a comment in the comment section. For those of you that are new, I would love you to be a part of this family. Just hit the subscribe button and make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you're always notified of any and all up and coming videos. Now this is a beautiful display, and this is what they have throughout this place. They have beautiful displays set up, and as I mentioned, beautiful Christmas decor. And this is, I guess, the section for the 4th of July or even Memorial Day. So guys, just let me know what you think as you see the beauty of this place. If you're new here, just make sure you hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell twice. And guys, please leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think of this beautiful shop here. Be blessed, guys. Until the next video, I am your host, and you are styling with Gigi Faison.